Guess what? Woohoo! I just got the news that my book, My Life as a 50-plus-year-old white male, How a Mixed Race Woman Stumbled into Direct Response Copywriting and Succeeded, just won a second award, a second book award. First award was a bronze award for Best Book by the Nonfiction Authors Association. They love my words. And now I just won a bronze award from the Independent Publishers Book Authors. It's called the IPPY Awards, and I got it for Best Ebook Design. So kudos to my amazing designer, Rob Davis, who created this eye-catching, is this not an eye-catching book cover? So it's now an award-winning book cover. Got an award for the words, got an award for the designs, 2 awards for this book. Why? Well, because it's awesome. It's an awesome book. It is my personal story of breaking into a little known yet male-dominated industry and kicking butt. I take you on my journey from humble beginnings as a Haitian immigrant and a stay-at-home mom to becoming an award-winning $1 million copywriter in the highly competitive direct response market. And if you know me, you already know I am going to give it to you straight. You get the good, you get the bad, and the ugly. I am brutally honest about my mistakes, and I'm going to have you rolling on the floor in laughter when you hear some other crazy stuff that's happened in my life. But overall, the book is going to challenge you, it's going to coach you and empower you to go after your dreams and create the kick butt life you deserve. But that's not all. When you purchase this amazing book, whether it is as an ebook or as an audiobook or in the paperback form, whatever it is, you buy the book, you also get $950 worth of my swipe file. Yeah, that's 17 of my killer promos that you can study and keep on hand to inspire you. So when you're working on your copy, you get some great fodder to work off of, right? So if you are serious about strengthening your copywriting skills, this is a no-brainer. Get the book, get my copywriting secrets, and get $950 worth of my swipe file for free. You can get the book on Amazon, just Google it, or go to my website at www.carline-cole.com to order it. This will be the best decision that you're going to make today. So do it now. I gotta go celebrate. See ya. Hey, come find out how this biracial woman stumbled into a white male-dominated direct response industry and kicked butt. You'll get my no-holds-barred rags to riches story in My Life as a 50-plus-year-old white male, How a Mixed Race Woman Stumbled into Direct Response Copywriting and Succeeded. But you want to know the best thing about getting my book? You also get $950 worth of my prize swipe file. Yep, you get 17 of my winning promotions to study and add to your personal swipe file. Hey, you should get this book just to get the $950 in free gifts. Come on, it's a no-brainer. And you get the swipe file whether you purchase the book as a paperback, on Kindle, or audiobook. So do it now. You can purchase this amazing book on my website at carline-cole.com or online at Amazon, Barnes & Noble, or Kobo. Oh, go get it now.